Hi guys, I'm Gilbert and here we are starting our HTML course. And because we're in the beginning, I'm going to add a discount coupon code down in the description for the full HTML5 course present on Udemy. Anyways, let's download our text editor. But what is a text editor? The easiest text editor that I can give you is basically Notepad on Windows. Well, you can basically type any text that you want in a specific format. And in Notepad, it's basically black and white. So the text editor changes the format of a specific text. So it can change the color, the space between the words, and then it can autofill some words if necessary. And the autofill part is basically great in every programming and coding language. So a text editor is made to make your life easier when programming or coding. And in this course, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. But why Visual Studio Code? Well, first of all, Visual Studio Code or VS Code is a small program and easy to use. So you don't need a huge PC or a lot of space to download VS Code. And as said, it is pretty much easy to use and you can use it on any platform, so any operating system. This includes Windows, Mac, and Linux, and that's pretty much it. Now let's download VS Code. So you need to go to code.visualstudio.com or you can click the link down in the description if you don't want to type it. Then we are going to tap download right over here, and then you can see the Windows, Linux, and Mac editions. So the easiest thing to do is basically to click the blue big rectangle under each operating system. So for Windows, obviously Windows, Linux, DEB, and Mac, well, Mac. And because we're on Windows, so I'm gonna click Windows and the download will start automatically. Wait for the download process and then check the setup that you downloaded. Double click on it, accept the terms and conditions, next, and then set the location of the Visual Studio Code application and then tick all the boxes, and at the end, install. Wait till it is finished and then you can find VS Code basically where you have put it. Now after opening the application, you can choose the theme that you want. Obviously I have it in black. And now you have the default windows, so you need to open a folder basically to choose where you want your HTML file to be in. So I have this empty folder right over here and I'm gonna change the name to YouTube-HTML and I'm gonna press select folder. Then as you can see we have this black space over here and here all the files will be displayed inside this folder. So we want to create a new file and by pressing new file right over here I'm going to tap the name of the file, so HTML, and don't forget the extension which is .html because we want an HTML file. Just like the .txt which stands for text file, the HTML5 file needs a .html at the end. So press enter and now we can start writing some HTML content in this file. Because we will not write any code for now, you are not going to see the effect of the text editor. So basically the line 1 that we wrote will basically be displayed as a normal text. So in the next video, we are going to explain how HTML works and basically create the basics of any website that you need to create. Thank you for watching. You can follow me on Instagram and LinkedIn. Don't forget to get your discount code down in the description and I'll see you on Friday. Goodbye.